get a cardboard. And we have to draw a circle. So the circle should be how much size you want the wreath to be. So for my circle, I got a huge plate and I drew the plate size onto the cardboard. So now we'll have to take a smaller plate and draw it in the inside of the big one. I'm drawing through the borders. Now take your parents' help and cut this piece. Cut the big circle. So we also have cut the inside. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to cover it with paper leaves. Next, we have to take color paper. You guys can choose any color paper you want. I've taken here yellow, orange, and light brown. Next, I printed a leaf pattern. You guys can print any leaf pattern you want. Using that pattern, I made some leaves here. So I'm going to show you how I cutted this. So first trace it. You can also ask an adult to help you. This might be some tricky. I have the leaves here and I put in the borders for some. So I'm gonna give border for this one. So I got some here. These are deco markers. So I'm gonna give, be hard to pick, purple. I'm gonna give purple. You can choose any color. So you just put it on the outline like this. And also, don't worry about the wreath. It's still here. I have all the leaves with the borders. This one is with black. This one is with purple. Orange is with red. Yellow is with green. Orange is with blue. Then white is with red. Then brown is with red also. I took a thread, yellow or orange matching color, and my mommy put a note here. So what you'll have to do is get it from under like this. And you're gonna get this end and you're going to put the other end into that. And you're gonna pull it like this. So you can hang it maybe. Now I'm gonna write the people and things I'm grateful for. So I have 3 markers here, purple, red, and black. So first I want to write with red. First I'm gonna write, I am grateful for my God. I'm gonna write it in one of these feathers. So we've written that. Now next leaf. I'm gonna write 2 with each same marker. Next I'm gonna write parents. A-R parents. Now next one I'm gonna write with black. So I wrote grandparents here. I'm grateful for my grandparents. Also, just one more thing is, don't put in the middle here because when you stick it on the wreath all together, it will go away. So make sure you write it here. So now we're gonna write other one. So I'm gonna do orange now. Now I'm gonna write I'm grateful for my teachers. I'm gonna write teachers. I'm grateful for my kindergarten teacher and my preschool teacher. So that's done. Now I am grateful for my full family. So I'm gonna write my family. Now this is my friends. Gonna write my friends. My kindergarten friends, my preschool friends, and also some is my mom's friends. And also I'm grateful for my health. Now I'm gonna stick. So on top, I'm gonna put God. So let me try to find it. Okay, so I got God here. And I'm gonna stick God here. Gonna stick God. It's okay if it comes on the rope. I'm gonna glue it here. So now I'm gonna stick parents. Now I'm grateful for my home, so I'm gonna stick home here. My grandparents. It's stick there, it's okay still. My friends. There's only one more. Our wreath is done. So now I'm going to add a little glitter in the now I'm adding a little Mod Podge. You can actually skip this part if you don't want. I just wanted the glitter to stick. So that's why I'm adding Mod Podge. A little Mod Podge around the sleeves. Glitter. See how it goes.